The following question reads that which statement about the conditions used in the Haber process is not correct? Uh, so this here is your Haber process where nitrogen and hydrogen react and they produce ammonia. The temperature is 450, pressure is 200 degrees 200 atmospheres, and you have a catalyst in the form of iron or Fe2O3. So, which statement about the conditions used in the Haber process is not correct? The first one is a higher temperature is used because the forward reaction is exothermic. Now, remember this. Forward reactions, if they are endothermic, now remember this is an equilibrium reaction. If it were endothermic, although it is exothermic, but if it were endothermic, then high temperature would be favorable because higher temperatures they support endothermic reactions. But since it's not endothermic, it's an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reactions prefer lower temperatures. So this reaction in the forward direction is an exothermic reaction. So exothermic reactions they prefer lower temperatures. So the reasoning is not correct in this statement. So you're not using higher temperatures, you should be using lower temperatures because the forward reaction is exothermic. Let's move to the next statement, which is that a high pressure is used because there are fewer moles of gas in the products than in the reactants. So whenever you increase pressure, less gas moles side is favored. The side that has fewer gas moles is going to be favored because when you're increasing pressure, you're compressing. If you're compressing, that means the space is running out and fewer gas molecules will be produced. So in the product there are 2 molecules, in the reactants there are 4 molecules of gas. So this statement is correct because if you increase pressure, the forward reaction will be favored. There are lesser gas moles in the product side. So this is correct. A higher pressure is used because there are fewer moles of gas in the products than in the reactants. So more products would be produced. So this statement is going to be your correct statement. We're going to check C and D as well. An iron catalyst is used to increase the rate of the forward reaction. Well, it is used to increase the rate of the forward reaction, but it also increases the rate of the backward reaction. So, so this statement also looks to be correct. So option C is also correct. The last one is that the unreacted hydrogen and nitrogen are recycled to increase the amount of ammonia. Remember, not a lot of ammonia is produced. I think the yield is probably 15%. So only about 15% ammonia is produced. The rest of the reactants, the unused reactants, are reused or recycled. So this statement is also correct. So what we did not look in the first statement correctly is we're looking for the not correct statement. So option A is your not correct statement. So your correct answer is going to be A.